Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Rita Ayemiomo TV. My people, Mona congratulate and for me first. Congratulations. This is your one and only Lady J. Today, I want to make you see my face. Make I use my real face to do this video. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My people, now congratulations. Now I can give Rita. At the same time, I want to send some message, give some people where they carry Rita marriage, the waka. Now so you go marry Kokbiri. Now so you do this one. Now so you marriage. Now so the man not too they happy. Now so the family of the man not they there. Now so different talk for social media. So many people they sagara. So many people they talk different things. So now I say today, make I come talk for this matter because So my people, if Rita not still do marriage, now una go see the talker. Single mother, baby mama, she never still marry. Kokbiri can never marry him. Kokbiri go marry for a place. This, that, at the end. Rita carry Kokbiri, he carry and go Edo State. Otonedo gon. He can't carry and go there. They can't marry. My people, he can't shock them because they don't expect him. They never expect it, They were shocked when they see the marriage. It shocked them, like it shocked them. They don't expect her, my people. They don't expect her. It shocked them. Like the thing, as when they see the marriage and the thing shock. It shock, So when they come see the marriage, they say the family of the man not there. They not say the family of the man. Now there I can say no. I must talk for this part. Now today una know say any picture where you show for social media, they'll carry and go they do this and take open fake account. Now today una know more than not forget to na this social media. Therefore carry Rita mama picture take the open fake account. So maybe Rita can show the family or the husband people again. If you show them, una go carry them, take go do fake account. So Rita don't want to take that risk again. Now he make want show the man family. Una don't ever see where you go marry. You go marry. The family of the man not go just stay there at all. Okay, not be the family of the man who can ask of the woman and the marriage. So the family of the man not go just stay there at all. Who does that now? He must stay there, my people. He must stay there. Waiting now because the people when they do saga together, they want make they see say Rita go come bring the family of the man come out. They'll come screenshot her. He not fine, no. The mama not dress well. The sister not just dress well. He not wear better shoe. Now don't say that there's a big look person for head to toe. He not wear shoe. He not wear this. He not fine, no. They could come insult him. And that one they be want, but they not can see him. And I really love what Rita do. And Rita, not because of what they talk for social media, go bring their picture out to not bring them. Let them just they by themselves, Let confusion just enter their body. Let them by themselves they reason now. Say, why we not see picture? Why we not see this? Why we not see the family? Just let them by themselves they that. No bring and come out. I beg. I use God to beg you. Not bring them more. Now when they want start to they useless their picture. They do different things with their picture. They screenshot their shoe. You know what if I happen for a party now. So no just mind them, not follow their mouth. Social media. There be unuagbon talk ba, unuagbon seje. You marry, problem enter. You not still marry, problem dey. Oh, now when they talk, say, why she will go marry Kokobiri? Kokobiri, there be human be. Kokobiri, there be this. One not forget to say, TB Joshua daughter. Now from Zimbabwe, now he marry you. I don't have to forget. And some of all those single mothers, the way they talk, say, why Rita go marry Kokobiri? Why Rita go marry Kokobiri? Why Rita go do this one? One not forget. Oh, now we marry Nigeria must still live una. Una marry Nigeria, oh, is still live una. So then why you Rita here, my people? Me I no understand. Rita marry he born for Kokobiri, he not live am. He still carry and go Benin go marry. You when they insult Rita, you na single mother. You get children. The man leave you after enough beating. He not marry you. You they insult Rita, say Rita they born for Kokobiri. I know that this life, if people waited this world, not just say they balance. They're not balanced, oh. They're not balanced at all. Like the thing they read, they surprise me. So Rita Yemiamo TV, my sister, congratulations to you. Not look what people they talk, oh. Just as you just say, if you come back, you go do the white wedding. Just go do them. Not mind them at all because they're not expecting. You understand? They're not expecting. If you not still marry, na problem. You still marry, na problem. So you can't please people. That is one thing about this life. You can't please people. You can't please them. So anything as they that say the family of the man or they let they continue just the that they go. The most important thing, you are now a married, a gallant woman. Now you be now. Married woman. Now you be, oh. Now you be now, my sister. So not just marry anybody where they insult you. Not marry anybody where they usually do drama. They do this one, you know. You know when somebody don't big for life. So there are some people, you just look them like say they're not rich where you go talk to. You understand, my sister? So, may you not just mind them. The most important thing, you are a married woman now. Not just the important. You don't marry. As you born your children finish, now you still feel married. Now it's important too. Not just look people when they talk about you. You understand? You not marry, they talk. You still marry, they still talk. So, you can't please people. You can't please them. Please only yourself, oh. Thank God for your marriage life yesterday. I wish you long life and prosperity for your marriage. More money. More money for your Aza. Your marriage shall be a blessing. Your children surround your table. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. So may you not mind some people for this social media. I believe, say, some of them, they're old. It's so like your man, all those swobu. You understand? So thank you, my darling people. So please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye, everybody.